In this video, let's explore the weighted moving average, what it is, how it is used, and what's its purposes. So first of all, where do you find this wonderful indicator? In the platform, go to the indicator list here with the F symbol, trend, and then second from the bottom, you would see the weighted moving average. This version is a smoother version of the moving averages than the regular methods, the other methods like the simple moving average and the exponential, and it gives much more weight on the recent data. So the recent bar has the most value, the one before, the bar before has a bit less value, and so on. So the recent data, the recent bars have the most value, and therefore the smoother version of this moving average, where it is relevant more to what happens now and not specifically on the past. So by default, it comes with the periods of 14, and it applies to the close price. Of course, you can play with the settings. Here in the lines, you would be able to find the type and the thickness of the line, and as well you will be able to define the visibility, where, on what time frames and what type of charts you would want to see the indicator. When you click OK, you would see the indicator on the chart. So the classical way of any trend indicator, and all the moving averages as well, of course, is to give some sort of visualization how the market goes, where is the uptrend, where is the downtrend, and give some sort of help to understand. With all the chart data, sometimes it's overcomplicated. So to understand where is a clear trend, where is the smoother version of the trend. And one of the best ways to use this indicator is when you are in an uptrend, look to buy on this very, because of its smoother version, because it gives more value of the recent data. It always, when in a bigger, in a broader scale, you have clear trend, then on a smaller scale, you would be able to find these little deviations and then go back to the trend. So every time it drops below the weighted moving average, it's your opportunity to join the uptrend, as long as the moving average as well as the price maintain the sequence of higher highs, higher lows. At the moment it changes and you see lower highs, lower lows on both the chart and the indicator, like here, for example, it flips. And then your your ideal way is actually to look to sell above the weighted moving average until it returned all the way down to below that. Sometimes traders love to combine the weighted moving average in two variations, so you can put it two of them, of course, with a bigger one, let's say 100 or 200. That's the broader scale, and you just choose some different color. You can also add a little bit of the thickness so it's clearer, and it will help to understand these very places when the big moving average is bullish and you drop to below the smaller one. It's your time to go and look for the buys, and the opposite way around, when the price is below the broader, the bigger moving average, then every time it goes above the small moving average, look for the sell opportunity.